B, you know they are not 501c3. And you just want to help them. They are really in need. And you really just pure good heart. You just want to do something to B. And then, of course, you don't care about tax deduction issue. You say, I don't care. The money I give away, number one, I do not expect they will pay me back. Number two, I don't even care about whether or not I can deduct it. However, how about number three? You want to avoid the tax issue. You don't want to get a penalty to your good behavior. You just want to support B. However, you want to avoid the tax. Assuming this is a gift, this is a pure gift. By the way, let me put it this way. Legally speaking, if B is not a 501c3 charity organization, you cannot say donation. Even though in real life we say donate, right? However, if the party received is not a 501c3 organization, you cannot say donation. It's gift. It's a gift. Okay, so there is a major difference between gift and donation. Okay, when we say donation, mean you give away something to a charity organization, and which is organized and approved by the IRS. Another thing is, by the way, if you want to give something else, and in your mind, you think this is a donation, you think this is not gift, it's donate, I highly recommend you to ask B to provide you the IRS approval number. Understand? If B cannot provide you IRS approval number, there's one number issued by the IRS. If B cannot provide to you, everything you transfer to B becomes gift. Be careful. Again, I think the bottom line for this class is try to avoid the penalty to your good behavior. Be careful. If a penalty to your bad behavior, this is it. You deserve it, right? However, from this class, you need to learn you don't want to get a penalty to your good behavior. Okay? I don't mean to discourage your good behavior, okay? To do the good thing is good. However, be careful, don't get a penalty to your good behavior. So if in your mind you really want to donate something, and highly recommend you ask B to provide you 501c3 ID number. And you understand only the organization can be approved as a 501c3. No any nature person can say I am approved by IRS as a 501c3. Don't be fooled, okay? No any person can tell you I am 501c3. Only the organization could be qualified as a 501c3. So there's no such thing say donation to a natural person. No such thing. Everything you want to help somebody else, they all may become the gift. So tax law provide three major give tax-free. Okay, there are three situations. You don't worry about the tax issue. As I say, you already passed the issue of deduction. You don't care. You just want to help B. Okay. So under the current tax law, there are three major give tax-free section. Okay. Number one, you may all understand. Probably you all know about that already. Every year, from A to B, under $13,000, below $13,000. That's a lot of money. I don't believe any person would like to pay, $13,000 to another person, right? unless, interspouse, unless between parents and children. Otherwise, if you just want to help somebody else, totally out of your good heart, I just cannot imagine you may pay more than $13,000. So anything under $13,000 transfer from A to B, that is totally gift tax-free. You don't even need to report it. We're talking about the report system, okay? You don't need to report it. By the way, if there is gift had really happened to you, you need to report this by next year, same time, same day, April 15th. Okay? But I don't know. Probably not more than 1 of 100 people filed the gift tax return. I don't believe so. Because, as I say, the number one exception, gift tax free, that is under $13,000. So what is the message for you? If I told you $13,000 is gift tax free, what is the major message for you? Again, you are A.